Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 4:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, September 21st, 2021. This is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Click the subscribe and the bell if you'd like to be notified of these videos when they come out. Click the thumbs up. Share the video. Let people know the greatness of the graph. In the intraday updates below the video, there's a Twitter link down there. Click on that if you want intraday updates. Let's move forward into the markets. We're going to make this brief. Graph US dollar is still under pressure, but we saw the same thing yesterday. Last night when we talked about it, we were somewhere over here, so we haven't really moved much. I think we're just going to be bouncing around here for the next week or two. It's going to be violent. It's going to be we're going to see ups and downs, but I think overall 64 cents is kind of the base of this price action here. So if it does happen to go below that and you happen to be real greedy, and it does happen to come through past this line here, then I think we're going to start to see it drop quick to 56 cents. Again, not 100% clear if that will happen. The next 2 weeks are going to be a bit trying, and for several reasons. But let's move into the graph relative to Bitcoin. We all know what's going on in the market. I kind of talked about it yesterday. Fed announcement coming out soon. Now, we still have some downside possibility here from 1,500, 1,600 down to 1,400. So significant, may play into where this thing may come all the way down to 56. But we have to see. These things do reverse, and it's hard to tell. At this point in time, there's no real good pattern showing us which way we're going on this. So you have to kind of, this is where you got to be more focused and diligent on it. So now let's go over to Bitcoin really quickly. Bitcoin certainly looking exactly like what happened back here. Yesterday we were down here and we bounced back up. And look, just like last night, just like today, and I'll zoom into it, we bounced down, we bounced up, and then we're starting to bounce down again. And that's very, very similar price action that we've seen in the past. We came down, then we bounced up, and then we bounced down again. Very, very similar. So we'll keep our eye on this. Nothing has changed between my thought of this yesterday and today. Again, sideways action is what I'm projecting for Bitcoin between down to 40,000 and up, and sideways. I think we're going to probably see some consolidation. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance continues to prevail. We're going to start to see Bitcoin continue its rally up. And I think that's important to know because, this is kind of the same thing that happened. We had a rally in Bitcoin back here around the same time we saw this horizontal price action. So I think we're seeing exactly the same thing playing out across the board, and we'll just have to keep our eye on it. In the meantime, again, graph is, still looking like a great price of 64. But let me tell you, if it comes down to 56, I will have to get more involved with the graph at that point. It's just too tasty to lose. The risk-reward profile seems like a good fit for me to add more to it. Anyway, I'm out. Hope everyone's well. Take care.